मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए बेटा 7 छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज लेकर आया हूँ। होप यू वुड लाइक दैट शॉर्ट स्टोरीज। क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट वन, जो पहली स्टोरी जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ बेटा, द थर्स्टी क्रो। क्लियर? ये इस तरह की 7 स्टोरीज में आज आप लोगों के सामने शो करने वाला हूँ। वीडियो पॉज करके आपने इसको लर्न करना है, लिख लेना है और हो सके तो इसको नोटबुक में राइट डाउन कर देना है। जैसा कि इसमें दिया हुआ है बेटा, देख सकते हैं आप। थर्स्टी क्रो। वंस देयर वॉज अ क्रो, ही वॉज वेरी थर्स्टी, ही फ्लू हियर एंड देयर in search of water, but he found no water. At last he went to a garden. There he saw a pitcher. The water in the pitcher was very low. He could not drink it. He saw here and there. He saw some small stones in the garden. He flew and put that pieces of stones in the pitcher. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away. Moral: God helps those who helps themselves. With moral में आपके लिए ये स्टोरीज लेकर आया हूं बेटा। ठीक है, तो इसका मोरल क्या हो गया? नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन। आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी है। क्लियर बेटा? सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट वन देख लीजिए बेटा। द ग्रीडी डॉग। Once there was a dog. He was very hungry. He had stolen a piece of meat from a butcher's shop and ran away. He had to cross a stream. While crossing the bridge, he looked down into water. He saw his own reflection in the water. He thought that there was another dog with a piece of meat in the water. He opened his mouth to snatch that piece of meat. As soon as he opened his mouth, his piece of meat fell into the stream. Clear? तो इसका मोरल क्या हो गया? Greed is curse. लालच बुरी भला है। हमें लालच नहीं करना चाहिए। जितना हमें मिल जाता है उतने में ही हमें जो है संतुष्ट रहना चाहिए। क्लियर? थर्ड वन देखिए बेटा, अ हंग्री फॉक्स। हंग्री फॉक्स क्या था? Once there was a fox. He was very hungry. He went here and there but could not find anything to eat. At last he came to a garden. There were grapes hanging from a vine. He jumped up again and again to get the grapes, but all in vain. He was very tired. At last he went away from the garden saying, The grapes are sour. इससे क्या शिक्षा मिलती है इस स्टोरी से? People make excuse to dislike what they cannot get. यानी कि वो लोग जिस चीज को वो प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं वो तो प्राप्त नहीं कर पाते, बल्कि उसे उल्टा दोष देते हैं कि ये वस्तु जो है ठीक नहीं है। क्लियर? फोर्थ वन, क्रेन एंड अ वुल्फ। Once there lived a wolf in the jungle. One day he was very hungry and were eating his meal. Due to overhunger, he was eating big pieces of flesh. Suddenly, a piece of bone got stuck in the throat of the wolf. He was quite hurting, so he decided to get help from a crane. He ran quickly towards the crane and asked him to help. At first, Crane was afraid the crazy wolf should bite off his head, but he decided to help him. He put his long beak into the throat of the wolf and pulled the bone out. Later, he demanded for a reward. The clever wolf said, Is it not a reward that I had not bitten off your head? क्या समझे कि ये आपका रिवॉर्ड नहीं है कि मैंने आपका जो है जो चोंच थी, बीक थी, वो मैंने नहीं खाई, तो क्या ये आपका रिवॉर्ड नहीं हुआ कि आपको मैंने फ्री होकर छोड़ दिया? तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? माइट इज राइट। जिसकी शक्ति होती है, जिस जो समर्थ होता है उसी का ही जो है साथ होता है, वो ही जो है बलवान होता है। क्लियर? फार्मर एंड हिज सन्स। Now, once a farmer had 3 sons. They were very crazy. They always quarrel with each other. They hate each other, and no one see the other one. Farmer was very worried about his sons. One day, farmer fell seriously ill. He made a plan to teach his son a lesson before his last breath. He called all of his sons and asked them to collect wooden sticks from jungle. When they bring some sticks, he asked them to tie all the sticks into a bundle. Later, he asked them to break that stick. They all tried their best, but no one could break the bundle. Later, he asked them to untie the sticks and break the sticks one by one. This was very easy for them, and all of them did it well. From this incident, farmer teach his kids a lesson. He said, "Look, you can break stick in a bundle because they were united." Same thing applies to humans. And if you are united, no one can defeat you ever. This had a deep effect on the farmer's son, and they stopped quarreling. Means moral, united we stand, divided we fall. अगर हम जो है एकता के साथ खड़े रहेंगे तो हमारा कोई भी नुकसान नहीं कर पाएगा। अगर हम डिवाइड हो गए तो हमें एक एक करके कोई भी हमें जो है नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है। Last one, a villager and donkey. Once a villager had a donkey. He used his donkey to transport salt in the city market. One day he loaded the donkey with the salt and moved towards the market. On the way to market, there was a stream of water. When donkey passed through the stream of water, he slipped due to the slippery surface and fell down. Most of the salt became dissolved in the stream water, and donkey felt light. A clever donkey, it was the good way to make loud light. Next day, he again slipped down and lessened his weight. Villager was also a sharp person. He knew his donkey well. Next day, he looked the donkey with the bale of cotton. When donkey played the same trick, bale of cotton become heavier, and in this way, villager taught donkey a lesson to never cheat his master. तो इससे हमें क्या शिक्षा मिलती है? नेवर चीट योर मास्टर। जो आपका गुरु होता है, जो आपको पालता पोसता है, उसके साथ कभी भी जो है धोखा नहीं करना चाहिए। This was what I have brought for you, dear students. So thanks for watching these stories. Have a nice day, all of you.